Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Spring Lake Inn and Suites, Fayetteville. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Laundry facilities, same-day dry cleaning services, and complimentary breakfast are offered at the Spring Lake Inn and Suites, Fayetteville. Pope Army Airfield in Fort Bragg is 8 minutes drive away. Spring Lake Inn and Suites, Fayetteville has spacious rooms, each with a 37-inch flat-screen TV. A comfortable work area with electrical outlets at desk level is also included in all rooms. Guests can prepare basic meals using the in-room microwave and small refrigerator. Tea and coffee making facilities are also included. Cross Creek Mall is 15 minutes drive from Spring Lake Inn and Suites, Fayetteville, and the Fayetteville Museum of Art is 9 miles away. Fayetteville State University is 9.5 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.